What is up, guys? Today is Monday. Market just opened. Seb was not here today. He went to Florida to visit his girlfriend. So it's just going to be me today. We said we are going to take a little break, but who does that, right? Who takes a break from trading when they need to? Because we've been on a very fat losing streak. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't look at that. Ugh. Oh, we're so down bad. We're not doing great. We're not doing great. Let me mark out my levels. Get my Bookmap loaded. I think I might do a Bookmap tutorial soon. And we have been struggling the last couple of weeks. Me and Saba, last 2 weeks. We went from being green every day to essentially being red, kind of just flip-flopped around. And so I might do a comprehensive breakdown on his trades, and I've done a little bit on mine from last months that were great, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Yeah, but that's how it goes. For those who just start trading, trading is a very inconsistent process. And there's, some people will say, "Oh, but you can consistently make this and this much. I make consistently 10K." No, you don't. No one makes a consistent amount of money trading. If they do, so it would look like someone would get like a 10,000, 20,000 payout last month, but this month, they could blow their accounts. That's typically what you would see. Or, they made 30K last month, 5K this month. Next month they make 10K. Month after that, they may make nothing. That's the true reality of trading. I got paid out back in April from Top Step, and then no payouts that next month. Blew the account. Welcome to the real world of trading. Some people can prolong their accounts. I'm not saying that's not the end all be all, right? But I'm saying the consistency in variant amounts of how much you get paid out is always going to be different. It's never going to be the same. Right. I'm also looking on maybe starting to trade ES. I think that would be also a great idea, a great thing to start on. Did it not have micro ES? I've never really traded the S&P, the micro S&P. That was just never really my attention seeking. Like, I want to trade this stock. I've always been a NASDAQ guy, but times are changing. Things are different. Get rid of these. All right. So I'm also going to go over my trading plan for the day, just to give everyone else a little heads up on how I do this. What is my thought process behind this? All right. Let's see if I have a copy of it. It is free in my link in my YouTube bio. Here is my trading plan, right? We have our key rules on our trading plan. We do not trade before the opening range is set, right? Opening range, first 15-minute candle. Simple as that. We wait until that 15-minute candle is set. before we start placing any trades. Volatility index plan, max entry on a low volatility market, less than 100-point opening range is 2 micros. Trades in profit can add maximum of 2 more contracts depending on trade management and profitability. Max entry position sizes in high volatility markets, more than 100-point opening range is 1 micro. Trades in profit and you can add a maximum of 1 more contract. Never re-enter and drawdown. I might change that rule. We made that rule for right now because we've been doing pretty shit. So we don't want to increase our risk. But there's ways where, you can decrease risk when it comes to just re-entries. I might just stop re-entering for more contracts for right now because I'd be in profit and I re-enter and then put myself back into drawdown because of that re-entry because it's at a worse price in profit. Max 2 setups a day. I always follow that. And then if you lose less than 200, you got a 10-minute cooldown period. Have not been following those rules. All right, market plan. We never come in with a bias. I know some people would think that's a very not good strategy to come in with no bias, but we always make our bias after a range is set. We want to see where price will want to go. We'll see how the tech stocks are doing. Sometimes they could just they could be up pre-market and then just shoot straight down once market opens. So it's never good to hold a bias because you never know what's going to happen in the next 6 hours, right? Mark out session highs and lows. I have an indicator that does that for me. It's called Asian Session Range, FXN. If you guys want to take that, it's free. I got that from one of my fake courses that I bought. It's the only useful thing I probably got out of it. Yeah, shout out RB Trades for fucking scamming my ass. Yeah. Also be careful. There's a lot of people, they're trying to get your money and your money's worth. I paid RB Trades like $1,500 for a mentorship program, and that dude never contacted me. Like, I would text him like, hey, listen, I launched all the coursework. When do I start actually doing something? He never responded. Right. Okay. So you mark out the sessions, Asia and London highs. Usually, I think Asia high and Asia low would be the most important. London's kind of iffy. Any anchored VWAP, so New York open, high of day, low of day, overnight VWAP. Never fight them. Pretty straightforward. Keep ES and technology stocks open but side by side. NVIDIA currently provides the best confluence. Might change that because Apple and Tesla also provide great confluence. Market conditions determine once opening range is set. Volatility, shorts or longs in play at that given time. Strictly must trade off volume, key levels. We're volume traders here. Session lows, resting orders and bookmap and VWAP. Determine loss limits, stops. Before entering the trade must be based on previous structure. Determine take profits at what level they are. Should be based on key level. Wait 5 minutes before executing your setup. Catching parts of the move is better than getting wicked out and miss the move entirely. We usually catch the move early. That's our rule. Must be in trade agreement. Volume on the order book should be taken as a clue or bias, not the definitive truth. Yeah, never take order book or the book map as a straightforward confluence. Half the orders that come into the market don't even go through book map, and a good amount of them could be fluff orders. So always be mindful of that. Book map shows fluff orders, hundreds of orders that never end up getting filled at certain levels. We will not trade for the day. Red folder news. Never place your trades before red folder news. I feel like that's a given. And then once trading, analyze and trade. If you're too emotional, block yourself out. Pretty simple. Yeah, I haven't been logging my trades. That's also been a problem. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong. I do know what I'm doing wrong, but it's always good to have a visual and then just a markup from that day, how I felt, all that kind of nice stuff. But I haven't been doing that because I've been lazy. So, and then we have our entry signal plans. So the break and retest. All right, so break of opening range, retest to the upside. That's one, and then we have continuations off pullbacks. Boom. Two simple entries, back tested through multiple groups, back tested by me personally and Saba. Best entries we have for two different market conditions, right? So the first one that I showed you was just a break and retest into the upside or downside of the opening range, right? Pretty simple conditions. Breakout phase, either opening range high, opening range low, often aligned with New York VWAP or overnight VWAP. Retest entry trigger, anchored VWAP to the lowest candle of the breakout move. Valid entry stays above anchored VWAP, bullish, stays bearish and nearby key levels to target. Execution rules, all that good stuff. Partial exit plan. Flip with liquidity flips directly sudden. A lot of that's going to be based on order book. All right, you guys take a look at it. I'm not going to read through all of it. Market's already been opened up, so kind of seeing what the hell's going on here for right now. All right, so it looks like we've been bullish throughout the most of the overnight of the market. So that's my market pulse right there. If you guys don't know what that is, that kind of just shows me where the strength of this candle is. Let me get my book map. Okay, what does book map show? Book map shows levels at 24,250. Some levels at 24,137. I think are we at all-time highs right now? I mean the daily. Oh yeah, we're at all-time highs. Though that's beautiful. It's gonna be impossible to trade. So given this, when you're at all-time highs, trading becomes a little bit harder, right? Because a lot of key levels don't get respected. Because new key levels are getting formed. Right? So always take that into account. And don't think we're not going to go any higher. Because if you're planning on shorting, you better have great confidence that we're going short today. Because the market, it could just keep going. Never set that bias of like, oh, we're at all-time highs, so like we're immediately gonna go down the next day. No, that's never gonna happen. Especially if you're like a swing trader. Don't play with the market when it's at all-time highs. You gotta be careful. Looks like we're gonna be targeting these levels up here onto this upside. It looks like those levels got flipped, right? So when I say orders get flipped in the order book, you would see a lot of add-ins and like a lot of stuff taken out. So originally, if there was orders down here and it looks like price was going higher, a lot of those orders will start coming in higher and higher, or sometimes they'll just completely flip, right? Instead of them being buy orders down here, they're going to be sell orders up top, right? New targets. We got a lot of sell orders, but I'm not testing that just yet. I'm going to still hold no bias. Let me look at what tech stocks are doing. Tesla's up 5%. You're shitting me. Again? Well, I hope some of you put some covered calls for Tesla, because that's actually ridiculous. We're falling though. Nvidia's down 1.29%. I don't think we have any news for today. Let me double check. Today is not September 11th. September 15th. No news. No news Monday. I also got an account. The Top Step charged me randomly. I don't know why that. But yeah, I got a free combine. Not free, but a forced free combine that I had to pay for. So I'm gonna full port that bitch. Try to make some money on that. I also do have a Top Step account that I did pass. Yeah, I might buy that, but not yet. I don't trust myself right now. If you guys trade Top Step, what I recommend doing, once you pass the combine, don't trade the combine. Or no, don't trade the funded. Pass more combines, because you're probably gonna blow it, especially if you're a new trader. So my recommendation, yeah, don't trade it. Just pass as many as you can. Then once you have 5, you know you can pass them. Hold on. I'm so focused on this. Top Step X. Jesus, man. All-time highs. I hate it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just having this open regardless. So we see the first break out of opening range. Slap all-time high VWAP, I guess, on this. Let's see if we just keep blasting onward. We might. Let's see. We already got a good. We could have had a good entry right here. I like to wait a little bit. I don't like just hitting the first move of the day. It's just typically not my style. Ooh, I guess I could delete that. Yeah, I think because we see a lot of quick reversals up and down. Noise than anything. Once you get a break like this, you can kind of start targeting something better. All right. It's only a 55-point range. It's not that heavy. Does Bookmap show us? Climbing up. This is interesting. I wonder if we're going to get some absorption. Get any orders higher? Literally not a single one higher. Ooh, we might be short done. Looks like those orders got absorbed. No, some of them did. We'll see if these are going to be a base level support. If it breaks all these supports, that could be an entry in. Pretty sure. It's a nice volume candle coming in. What I would look for in that candle, I want it to at least be larger than this candle. That's kind of how I determine like possible reversals. It's just the size and strength of the next candle, right? So if you see giant upbursts right here, or like slowed upbursts, and then bang, big downburst of volume. It's a good entry signal for me. Not entry signal, but like a signal to maybe see an entry soon. I wouldn't rush it just yet. We still have a lot of bullish pressure going on, so we'll see what's going on. We got some more absorption. So 20 contracts got removed from right here. We're making new all-time highs right now, so we'll see what's going on. I don't want to put the idea of shorts in just yet. I feel like we could just fucking explode higher. But I think that 24,250 level might hold as base support for the sellers if they could take control. I'm not too sure yet. I'm not very confident in it yet. Wall Street poised for higher open the start of. Is the Fed speaking this week? Tesla's falling a little bit. Let's see what the S&P's doing. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay. What the fuck? Huh. Okay. There it is. Oh, we got new orders set to the top side. We might hit. This might be a climbing day today. Not gonna lie to you. We could just be going up and up and up. Gotta have this range set. Let me take it off. It's kind of dumb. There it is. It's gonna become our new. You up? All time high, we up. Wow. It's not that great of a break, though. Nvidia's back down. How's Apple doing? Apple's down. Only thing is up. Oh no, Apple's up. TXY's down. Dow Jones is up. Gold's up. Well, I really don't have an entry signal for right now. Just gonna sit still. Just gonna sit still for right now. See, those orders got removed. We don't really have orders targeting the downside anymore. Let's see the upside. Not many. Oh shit. Yeah, there's nothing really going on right now. currently full porting my Top Step combine. Don't mind me. Yeah, I don't recommend really spending that much time on combines. I think it's not the greatest use of your time. I think just try to pass as many as possible, get your fundeds, and then start trading your fundeds very just responsibly. Um, Combines, I just full port. I have like a 50% pass rate on these combines. I think the last like 6 that I had of Top Step, I passed 5, 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6. Just full porting them, passing them in 2 days. I truly don't think it's worth, taking a whole entire month on this Top Step combine and just pretty much just wasting your time trying to pass it, and then you exhausting all your mental like energy trading, and then you finally hit that target you've been waiting to hit 3,000, and then now I have to actually trade for 5 more days just to even get a payout, and those have to be winning days, and you're just like, I think it just becomes a hassle, in my opinion. I don't think it's worth the time and the effort. Right? Still take good trades if you're gonna be irresponsibly trading them. But yeah, if you guys want to see, this is my irresponsible trading at the moment. Oh. Am I confident in the setup? Not really. I got a Top Step combine. I just want to pass, see if I pass it. All right. Let's see if we even get to this level. I think we should. Come on, just give me the 1500. Clock me in. Brutal. No, we're still going downward. Yeah. Wonder what Top Step thinks about my full porting. Actually, you're gonna trade responsibly. See, they just heard, so they told whatever broker just to add in more buy contracts. Trade responsibly, kids. But it's important to know not to hold any emotional attachment to combines. I don't think that's a wise idea for anyone to do. Fundeds either. I mean, you could always rebuy another one, and I know that seems like very counterintuitive to say, but trust me, it's not the end of the world if you lose an account, and it's just less of a mental strain for you to trade, knowing like, okay, well, if I don't get a payout on this account, I can always buy another. I can always, try to get another payout. Right. So if this account blows up, whatever, I don't really care. It might, yeah. Market pulses back up. That's actually a brutal candle. I don't even know what the hell's going on. Yeah. Oh no, I'm down $150. I should have probably took some orders off. That would have been a wise idea. The way I trade fundeds and combines are completely different. I do not trade my fundeds like this ever. Please do not trade your don't try to full port them. And plus, most brokers or like combine rules, well, they'll have a consistency limit. If you guys don't know, always read the rules before. Consistency is usually around 20%, 50%. So if you guys are trying to full port 3,000, the 3,000 profit goal, and realize you're not going to get a payout, it's because of the consistency rule. So always double check that. I think that's very simple information, especially if you're using like Apex, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, anything really. Oh, always double check that. Oh, sweet. Come on, break that structure. Break that structure. Come on, I just want my 1,500. I'm out. On my 5 minis. Hey, come on. Keep her pushing. Keep her pushing. That's not pushing. I like that. That's a good push. Never mind. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. My market pulse is at 60. 70. Please. My family's hungry. I need to pass this combine. Please, Jerome Powell, please. Oh, no way. Oh, you're shitting me. You're shitting me. Come on. Come on. Please. No way. No way. Wow. Wow. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. What? No. No fucking chance. That's actually crazy. What is that? Is that even... No, what the hell? No. Is that one tick? That's one tick? Oh, you're joking. Oh, come on. Please. Oh, come on. There's actually no way. Come on. There's like zero buying pressure. Come on. Thank you. And that's 1,500 on this account, so I can... Yes, okay. Well, you guys just saw me full port. Full port successful. So now it's actually time to lock in. Please do not do what I just did. I am begging you. Unless you're trading. Called the shorts. That's pretty cool. I need a new funded anyways. I am going to try the shorts right here, though. I believe there's nothing left in that. Oh shit, I entered in for too much. Ah shit, I entered in for too much. That's not a reasonable entry. I was not trying to enter in for 4. That actually sucks. Wow. That's brutal. That's brutal. Yep. Yeah, I was not trying to enter in for 4 contracts. Sure, probably looked before doing that. Anyways, so praying that this works out because I entered in for way too much. Looks like we're holding base structure right here. So let's see if we get some kind of turnaround. Bookmap showing orders to the downside, so I might have to get out of this early and at a bigger loss than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to go in for 4. I mean, I wouldn't have minded it if I got up here, but the fact that I was so late that this wide stop would kill me. That's like I think that's a $300 loss. Maybe a little less, maybe $200 loss, but definitely not the entry I wanted. But since it's low volume today, I think that's not a bad. I don't know. It's a bigger loss than I'm anticipating, so I might have to get out earlier than I would like to. That's what I'm saying. Tesla's up 6%. The video's down 1.5%. Could be a micro pullback. I'm not sure. I do like the shorts. There's some orders, but they're algo orders in the Bookmap. So I don't know. There are some orders to the downside I'd like to target. Looks like price is still falling quite a bit. So I'm going to hold this position for right now. I'll have to sell 2 so I can get a re-entry on this. I don't want to be... Do I want to be in for more than 4? I'm not sure. Depends how this looks. If we get a one-directional candle to the downside, I would think of maybe being in for max 6 contracts. Just because we're just so low volume today. I mean, we're not even going to break 100 points today into one-sided range. Well, it depends. I don't know. Right now, I don't know what the price is doing. Think he wants to come down lower. I don't know if I want to. Because what I was thinking, I was thinking about adding 2 more right now, and then just set that buy stop to like right here, or maybe this previous structure right here. Because if it breaks that previous structure, it's gone. But I mean, I don't know what the loss would be on that. Right now, I'm down $38, which isn't terrible. I'm not gonna cry and panic about that. But I do see orders flipping to the downside on the order book. So I'm not trying to justify this position entirely because it's not the greatest because our previous structure is right here. But that's a good target, I want to say. But a lot of tech stocks are up except NVIDIA. ES is up. I mean, depends on what kind of play I'm trying to take here. Order book flipped. I think we're just target. And you know what? I'm gonna re-enter for 2 more. If the order book flips, I really like that. That's like it's like my favorite thing to happen is when the order book completely flips to the one side and we're just creating these new orders to the downside. It gives me a lot of confidence that we're just gonna go lower. And I'm willing to take that risk on that. I'm willing to take the risk on it. If it doesn't play out, then whatever. Just the slowed buy volume also is just indicating me that we're going to go a little bit shorter. I mean, we're seeing big influxes to the downside, and then we're just seeing price kind of staying leveled a little bit from some buying pressure. But I think the buying pressure is being exhausted. I don't know. We're seeing an exorbitant amount of selling pressure coming in too. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna sell most of my position once we come down. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. I don't like what I'm seeing. Oh. It goes me trying to justify my position. No, I'm kidding. It's still going lower. There's not a lot of buy volume coming in. Put buy for stop right here. Targeting this opening range. With such a slow day today, I'm not really targeting big wins. I kind of just want to get my little piece and get out today. Because I'm not even sure we're gonna see much. I think we're gonna see a break into the opening range and then just that another kick outward. I'm just putting my risk on the fact that it could hit opening range. So I'll just take most of my position off there, and if keep 2 runners if actually price wants to come actually want to come down lower, right? I'm just trying to play the reset right here. But yeah, I don't know. Order book flipped completely. I'm staying with that confluence. We see some orders to the downside. We want to hit around 24,255 or 24,225. 255 would mean I'm screwed. We got some heavy orders coming in to the upside, but not just yet. I think a lot of those are algo orders. Yeah, I don't know. I might be completely screwed on this position. I just really liked what the order book did, and that was just completely flipping, creating this base level to the downside and wants to hit. And I'm willing to take that. Right, this is what I see. Oh, my whole entire screen froze. All right, the whole entire order book flipped. There was a bunch of orders to the upside, and then we got these big target orders to the downside. And that's all it is to it. like I said, might get screwed on this position. I'm a little in heavy, but target's still there. I mean, I think it's just a viable target. Like, why are you a seller in a buyer's field? Leave me alone. I see what I see. All right. I wish I'd gotten up top there. That would have been nice. But let's see what's going on here. Again, some buying pressure. Ah, you dickhead. That's some absorption. Yeah, market's telling me we're going down, guys. And as soon as I say that, that's pretty cool. Don't reject off of New York. Oh no. What on earth was that? Yeah, we got some volume picking up to the downside. I've been waiting for that. Yeah. Oh, come on. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. Looks like volume, yeah. We're getting a little bit more volume in the market now. We're going to see a little bit more absorption. And yeah, looks like a lot of things flipped, maybe. Oh, that's fucking brutal. What on earth was that? What? What? What is going on? Wow. I just touched New York VWAP and just fucking reversed. Don't fight the VWAP. Oh, it's so fucking brutal. Shit, man. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, don't listen to me, man. I've been fighting the New York VWAP this whole entire time. Wow, it just touched it instantly. Couldn't fill me in. Down 150. Oh, that's so brutal. Wow. Well, that was out of nowhere. That kind of hurt my feelings. Oh. No way. Come on. Break downward, break downward, break downward. No. Well, this position looks screwed. Not gonna lie. Oh my. Fuck me. That's so fucking brutal. Yeah. What are you calling it quits, Matt? Never. Never. This shit's so gay. That's so ridiculous, dude. Wow. Well, the market lied to me today. Oh! What the fuck just... Did I get filled in? Oh. Oh, guys, I made $50. What the fuck just happened? Did news come out? Huh. That's interesting. Um... Okay. Well, I can't explain what just happened. I'm gonna clip that. I feel like that can make good content. Why you shouldn't trade NQ. In my case, I mean, it makes sense. Save me from drawdown, but do you count that as a lower low? I feel like it filled in orders it wasn't supposed to, and it just spiked down. That'd be my guess. I'm gonna enter in for 3 more. I like the short bias now. Me personally, I want to go short on this. Well, I told you guys there's a short bias somewhere. Hopefully we get another one of those again. know if we're gonna target anything to the downside. I forgot to even check if there's orders. Oh, those orders got removed. Looks like it's just stops. Let's see if we go stop hunting today. We might. I could see it happening. Yeah. Could be stop hunting today. Oh, it's not bullish pressure I'm concerned about yet. I think just the lack of orders to the downside, and then just like it looks like stops, like algo stops. So I'm gonna take this confluence of we could be going lower. I'm gonna target the lows. Oh, that's not what I want. Give me buy 3 stop. Do I do that? I think I might just do this. Right there. That's actually brutal. That's why we don't trade no news Mondays, everybody. Subway's gonna be pissed as hell at me. So what the fuck are you doing? Don't mind me. Okay, looks like we got some order placement. These might be stops, so depending on what this candle does, I'm gonna get out of the position. If it tries to stop hunt, I'm gonna stay in position. If it reverses and comes to that area, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, looks like I might have to. See how it rejects off this view up. Looks like it might not. Yeah. We'll see. Looks like we got a good amount of absorption. Yeah, those are stops. Those are respected stops right there. Might have to hop out. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds. See what the next candle does. Oh, yeah. We actually might go stop hunting. If you guys don't know what I'm referring to, a lot of orders. These are all limit orders, right? All limit orders placed. These could be stops, right? You're gonna have some stops right here, targeting to the upside, right? Same thing right here. Stops up here, targeting downside. Right. A lot of the times you see stop hunting, boom, hit some, maybe take profits or stops, then keep going hunting. Right. You see it all the time. Big money hunts small money. That's usually how it goes. So I like to interpret what are stops. There's indicators that interpret it for you. There's icebergs and hex, whatever. I don't use any of those. I was thinking about using them, but I feel like that would complicate my trading to extreme measure when it didn't need to be. So yeah, I don't know. Scott Pulcini is the guy's name, the trader who uses and explains the icebergs and like stop hunting. He will give you the best explanation for it. He did a podcast with ASFX TV, so I would check that out if you want to learn more about that kind of style trading. It's a little bit more complex. It's really not that difficult. It's just you see a chart that shows you every time stops get hit and then big money comes in. It's really all it is. But yeah, I'd definitely check that out if I were you. Yeah, really slow day today. Kind of expecting it. I don't know. I'm still going with my confidence to the downside. Okay, looks like we got stop setting right here. Some orders we might want to take out up of. Got a bunch of algo orders to the south side. To the south side. To the south side. We're bouncing around this VWAP. I'm not liking it. I might hop out of this position. I don't see it anymore. If we don't reverse, if we don't finally get some momentum to the downside, I'm gonna hop out. There's no reason to stay in a position you don't trust anymore. It's better to just close it out at that point. Especially if we're moving fucking 5 ticks a minute. It's just a terrible range. Yeah. Yeah, I called that. I'll go power hour soon. Yeah. There's not much seller volume anymore. There's no point of taking that full loss. Yeah. Oh man, just doesn't want to come down to any low. It's just playing around. Looks like Tesla just caused that drive upward, and everything else is kind of just stalling it. Nothing big today. We got a break of opening range. That's about it. Never even got the retest to the downside. Looks like we were just kind of bullish today. Fucking hell. Oof. Okay, I'm only down $20. I'm down more than that now. Is that a sweep of liquidity that doesn't exist? I hate when people say that, like, "Oh, dude, like, you don't see this liquidity sweep, man." Like, they'll see it in the candles. Like, "Oh, dude, we just swept this high, dude. We're gonna go downward." No, there's no orders up there. Yeah, we got a bunch of topside orders. I'm still married to my position, like a wiener. Market pulse shows no indication of going lower. Might be stuck in a position that I don't want to be in. Mhm. Still can't believe we got filled in on that. That's actually fucking nuts. A lot of bullshit with NQ today, ladies and gentlemen. ES wasn't any better. Yeah, these are just not good conditions to trade in. Usually I want to trade in these conditions, but I don't know. Thought I saw something I didn't. Do I still see it? Nah, not really. I'm just in the position. Why not? See if dreams can happen. Just a man with a dream. What on earth was that? Come on. Get bearish pressure. At least go down. I'm biased in that regard. Jeez, man. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna get tapped out. Yeah, tapped out for the $88 loss. Ah, that's so brutal. That's so brutal. I hate all-time highs, man. And then we get an immediate reversal. Alright, guys. Don't judge me. I see the dream. I see the dream. I see the dream. Equal highs. What the actual fuck is going on? I can't even lock in on this. Like, what? Yeah, Sabo was right. I shouldn't have traded today. Don't question me why I'm in for 10. Don't question me. I'm where I want to be. Leave me alone. For fuck's sake, just hit my target, man. Those fucking fluff orders, whoever those fucking dweebs that added it in, just fucking screwing up my position. Like, completely. Like, I'm getting fucked here. This is actually fucking brutal. Yep. Just fuck me. 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 Yep. Fuck, man. I cannot win for shit no more. Oh. Get out of song, man. This is just fucking brutal, dude. I mean, what is this? And let me guess, orders are gonna fucking disappear. Yep. Doesn't want to hit them. I fucking can't stand these fluff orders, man. And they never get filled. Never. No matter what the hell you do, they never get filled. They always just set up to screw you over. See? And then it's just gonna fucking fall now. Like, I'm not, I'm pretty happy that it's gonna start falling a little bit, but like, it's just these orders, man. They don't make any fucking sense to be on the market. Those are all just single algorithms. They're just trying to drag price higher. And that shit's illegal. Illegal. See, and then this shit happens because there's still orders there. Their algos are gonna chase it. Just out of spite, I'm gonna fucking do 5 more. Purely out of spite. So I'm calling what the fuck is happening next. The second those orders disappear, what the actual... Well, it looks like I completely just lost it today. That was nice. Explains why I only have 2 green days in the last 3 weeks. Yeah. Dude, days like this make me want to just toss my fucking computer out the window. Oh my god, this shit's so fucking. What the fuck is this shit, man? Ah. Yeah. Well, at least got the trading combine to 1500, so that's a W. Create more videos. I mean, today I just lost I just lost it. This was just so. It just watching this market's just so idiotic, man. It's like I can't take this shit anymore, dude. I mean, look at this shit, man. I mean, look at this. 2 accounts lost, 1 barely on its last legs. Compared to last month's, let me show you last month's. Yeah. You know. You got good months and you got bad months. I haven't taken a winning trade on these fundeds. Wow. I haven't taken a winning trade since the 9th, since Tuesday. I haven't had a winning trade on that account since Tuesday. Wow. It's just, oh my god, what the fuck is going on, man? That's fucking ridiculous, dude. I mean, shit, man. I mean, look at this. I used to be all green back in August. Every trade I took, green, 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 and then bang. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 losses. Cumulative P&L went from 8 or 10 grand to fucking 6. I mean, dude, look at this. It's hard not to get affected by it. It really is. It's really hard not to get affected by it. I mean, yeah. And I'm supposed to try to teach people, it fucking kills me, man. It fucking kills me. You get days like this, it just doesn't even make sense, man. All-time highs, dude. I can't trade this shit. And I still tried to, but some days you just gotta say no. Today's one of them. Today's one of those days. No volume coming in, except fucking weird ass volume spikes. This is 30-point range. It's just some bullshit, man. But I'm the only one I can blame. I can only blame myself on these losses, and it's just, oh my god, just wow. Haven't taken a winning trade since last Tuesday. Oh, I finally probably reached this peak. There's no way you could predict this shit. Well, that's gonna conclude the stream. I gotta get to fucking work. The gym. Fuck my life.